do you ensure that the details in a tattoo are not too regular or too irregular?
Detail can really bring a piece to life, make it more interesting, and also can be very useful when doing a cover-up. But you also want to make sure that your work doesn't end up too detailed or cluttered, because it'll lose its clarity. So I usually will ask myself, what are the most important key parts of the piece? What are the main characters, so to speak? And those will end up having a couple key areas of detail. Focused detail with high contrast. In the case of a cover-up, often those areas will end up on top of the worst cover-up areas, because I'm trying to cover things that have strong lines or a lot of contrast. And so high contrast in detail is often the very best way of doing that. And that will usually end up in a part of the design that is meant to be a center of interest.
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to continue on to the next video, click here. To start from the beginning of the Insights series, click down here. And if you'd like to progress further in your tattooing, follow this link over here.